Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 7th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great evening out there. Hope everybody had a great Tuesday out there as well as we're fixing to roll into Wednesday of this new work week. I hope everybody's staying safe and well, and hope everybody continues to do so as well. I want to thank all my subscribers I got so far. Hope I can continue to climb. Hope I get more in the future. If you're a new viewer and you like my weather content, don't be hesitant to hit that subscribe button. Hit that thing. Get it going. And get the word out about my videos, and also get as many people watching as possible on my videos, so that way I can keep everybody up to date on what is expected to come in the future. Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about the watches and warning map, the CIP Analog, the National Weather Service radar, the GFS forecast snowfall totals over the next 16 days, and also we're going to take a look at a little sneaky system that could possibly, I'm not buying into it yet, but there's a possibility, could be a little bit of wintry precipitation over the Carolinas coming up Sunday. So that's something I'm going to keep an eye on. I'm going to show you a little bit in the model run here toward the end of the video. So please stick through the entire video if you can. I know I may be a rambling man, but I just try to tell you the facts, tell you the truth of what I'm expecting to go, what's going to happen going forward. Okay, now here is a look at the watches and warning map across the lower 48. We have special weather statement, winter weather advisory across the Northeast. Also, we have some high wind watches and warnings in effect for portions of Illinois, Ohio, and Indiana, and also portions of western New York State. Also, we have winter storm watches in effect for portions of Iowa and also Minnesota. We have some flood watches in effect for Missouri and northern Arkansas. High wind watches in effect for portions of New Mexico, Colorado, and also Kansas, and also winter weather advisory for New Mexico, and also we have winter weather advisory also for portions of the upper Midwest from over near Washington State over to Montana, plus a few little high wind warnings in that vicinity. Dense fog advisory for portions of California. Okay, here's a look at the CIPS analog probability for severe weather. This is for your Wednesday probability coming up. 15% over Texas. All right, here is day two over the next 48 hours. A little bit bigger over East Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, and portions of Mississippi. Okay, now we're going to day 3. And you see the great, and it gets a little bigger over here. It gets into a 30% chance of severe weather, 15% in the other color, and the lighter is 10%. And we're going to take a look at day 4 so, and let you take a look at it. And you see in the vicinity of Florida and the Carolinas and Georgia and portions of southeast Alabama. That's why I'm expecting possibly some severe weather from Texas to the Carolinas coming up this week. Some started today, and that will linger all the way into Friday. Now we're going to take a look at the National Weather Service radar. Here's that mixed precipitation over the northeastern United States. We got more showers and storms developing back over in Texas, back over toward Missouri. Also, here's more precipitation coming into the upper Midwest from over in Washington State, Idaho, and Oregon, and portion of Montana. There's that little bit of mixed precipitation you've seen in the where that little white advisory area of winter weather over in New Mexico. All right. Now we're going to look at the snowfall total for the next 16 days. This is what it looks like across the map. We got heavy precipitation here where it's at 13 inches of snow, X that out, because I don't think, I'm pretty sure that will never happen. You will get some snow, but not that much. Also, a lot of these areas up in Canada, don't expect that much snow to fall either. Also, over in the northeastern portion of the United States, there will be some pockets of heavier snow, but not as much as these models showing. Also, over in the upper Midwest, same thing. And over in the plains, northern plain, same thing. You just take this map with a grain of salt, but some areas will get, most areas will, in this snowfall area will get snow. Now in the Carolinas, like I said, that's a little iffy, but there's a little sneaky system that could possibly bring a little bit of snowfall to portions of the southeastern United States. Okay, now here's that weather map, the forecast model. We're looking at Friday, February the 10th. This is where I'm expecting some heavy precipitation across the area. We may get up to 1 to 3 inches of rainfall out of this system. All right, as we go in time, we see the precipitation still going all the way into your Saturday at 1 p.m. Saturday. The rain still falling pretty heavily across the area. Then an area of low pressure kicks off right here over southern South Carolina. Expected to lift off to the northeast to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. It may try to wrap around, try to bring in a little bit of frozen precipitation. That's why the system's going to be a little sneaky one this weekend. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on it. That's why you've seen that little bit of precipitation on the GFS model. That's why I said I had to be kind of a little optimistic, because like I said, I'm really not for sure, but just going to have to keep an eye on it, because the GFS always been crazy all winter about wanting to paint snow over the Carolinas, and nothing happened yet. So that's why I got to keep a close eye just to see maybe this in here could come true. Never can tell. Then the system finally lifts out to the northeast, brings mixed precipitation along the I-95 corridor toward the coast and some rain, and there it goes, further on out to sea. I'm going to go ahead and let you know next week there could be some severe weather across the deep south again. I will have more on that in later video, so hope everybody sticks around for that. Okay, well, that concludes our weather forecast for tonight. Hope everybody has a great evening. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love to have you on board. If not, oh well, you don't have to. But anyway, have a great evening, and we'll catch you back on the next one.